7:26, and the doc is in today to talk about a tumor with teeth, possibly.
He's focusing on a type of mass that's rare but can impact both men and women. Doc, good to have you in studio again. Tell us more.
Well, good morning, Paul and Mandy. Absolutely. We're going to talk about teratomas. So, what is a teratoma? Well, a teratoma is a type of tumor that can be found typically associated with the pelvis in men and women, can be in babies as well. And the good news, many of them are going to be benign. Now, the challenge with this tumor is most tumors are pretty consistent throughout. This one, however, can have almost any type of tissue within it, including formed teeth, hair, bones, and so it's one of those that keeps us kind of fascinated in medicine because it has all the parts made up of a human body. Now, these are made from a germ cell. The germ cells are the beginning cells, the recipe cells of our body, and can become anything once the body tells them what they need to be. They may contain any type of tissues, including teeth, hair. Anything within the human body can be found within these tumors. They can be very small, they can be very large. Most of these are benign, thankfully. 98 to 99% are going to be benign. Very rarely they can be malignant, and those tend to be those that develop in adulthood. The ones in newborns and in children tend to be benign, but these are very interesting. You see a lot of these stories, headlines associated with these 20, 150 pound tumors found in folks, and often these are going to be teratomas. So it's very interesting when you pull out a tumor and it actually has teeth.
Has teeth. I've never realized that was. It's almost like your body's trying to grow, which isn't common in men. Obviously, men don't grow.
It can be in either ones because of the germ cells. Based on men have half of the recipe, women have the other half of the recipe. So the germ cells are there on both sides. So they can be present in both men and women.
Coming up in your next segment, you're going to focus on ADHD, correct?
We have a new study coming out showing a significant increase over about the last decade, and that's going to be important information because it's got a surprising shift in the trends for who's being diagnosed.
Okay, looking forward to it. Doc will be back shortly with more on that, and of course, we'll be back with another half hour of news starting up in about a minute or so. Stay with us.
You're watching Fox 56 News. Our home, your news.